This video will guide you through installation instructions for your Incognito saddlebag. This handy luggage blends in with your motorcycle and helps carry your stuff on trips. Your saddlebag will come with installation instructions and a hardware kit that includes mounting brackets and bolts. For installation, you will need a wrench. First, locate the mounting points for the bracket. Replace the OEM bolts in your fender. Install the bracket on the fender strut using the provided hex bolt and spacers. Make sure to tighten to the manufacturer's recommended torque settings. To ensure that the bolts stay tight, apply a thread-locking compound to the threads of the bolts. This will help prevent them from vibrating loose while riding. Once the mounting bracket is installed, slide the bag's adapter onto the bracket and press until it properly rests on the mounting pegs. If you want to remove the bags, you can press the lever or pull the quick-release cord to release the bags. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed your solo saddlebag, and now you are ready to ride.